Okay, for question number 8 of 18H. For A, find the derivative of f. Okay, at this moment, you don't have the skill to differentiate this type of function yet, but you will learn that very soon in chapter 20, I believe. So at this point of time, to differentiate this, you just use your CAS or whatever software. So in this case, you just key in this, and then with this function, which is the dy dx, and it will provide you with the answer. Okay, so you get this answer by simply applying CAS. So this will be your differentiation from this original function. So the dy dx or the f prime x of this function will be this. Okay, so this is the derivative, the dy dx, or the f prime. For B, they want you to find the coordinates of the turning points of this function. So how many turning points are there? We have to find out. But we know that turning points is when the gradient is 0, right? Because it is flat. At that point is a maximum or minimum, so the gradient is 0. So when the gradient is 0, it means this equation must be 0. So you let this be 0, and then you solve. Okay, we found out that there are 3 roots. X equals to 1, x equal to b, and x equals to 1 plus b divided by 2 from this. Okay, 1 plus b divided by 2. So there are 3 turning points, and the x are 1, b, and 1 plus b divided by 2. And then your job now is to find the respective y. When you sub 1 back to the original function, if you sub 1, what do you get? You get 0, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. You sub b, you also get 0. Now, so we have found 2 turning points already. Both 1 and b will give you 0. So the 2 of the turning points are 1, 0, and b, 0. So these are the 2 easy turning points. What about the last one? So the last one, the x is 1 plus b divided by 2. Then same job, you have to sub this value x back to the original function. Then you simplify, you get this. Okay? So you sub this value back to the original function, and you get this answer. So what is the last point? So the last point is the x is 1 plus b divided by 2. This is the x, and this is the y, which you have just solved. C, I think it's very easy. You can do it by yourself.